Here is my BT Minstrel model 5011 Slimline telephone in the lovely pink colour. I believe the official name of this colour is Coral Pink, but to be honest, in my opinion, it's a bit too light to be classed as coral, but anyway, that's the official colour. It's more like baby pink, really. Kind of like an off-white, but it's definitely got a pink tinge to it. But it really does go with this wallpaper, I think, so anyway. If any of you have seen the popular 90s British sitcom Keeping Up Appearances, you may well know that this is the exact same model telephone that Hyacinth had, definitely in the early series. I think she had a different phone later on, but this was her original phone. Although she had a white version, not pink like mine is, but anyway, it's the same model. And she boasted that it had last number redial, and indeed it does. Anyway, very typical of a slimline telephone, it has quite a long curly card for the handset. And the handset card is modular, as you can see, on both ends, as is the line card, that's also modular. So you can easily replace it should it become damaged. And very familiar of a slimline telephone, it has the keypad on the handset itself. So there's the receiver, and there's the transmitter or the microphone. Some nice British Telecom branding there. You've got 3 programmable speed dial options. There's the numeric keypad. There's the memory and store function for when you're programming in your speed dial options. Got last number redial there, and there's also a recall button for certain exchanges, I believe. On this side you have a switch between LD, MFT and MFE. And basically that's a switch between pulse dialing and tone dialing, and it's set on tone at the moment, so I'll just show you that. Oops, a bit out of focus. Anyway, you can hear the dial tone there. So when I press different keys, it makes a different tone, so that's touch tone. You'll be able to hear it now. There you go. And if I switch it to pulse, which is LD, and now when I press the keys, you'll be able to hear the tapping down the line, or the pulses, which sends the number you've pressed as taps down the line, so it knows which number you've pressed. So here we go. Dial tone. There you go, that's pulse. I believe that's because at the time when this phone came out, which was the very late 80s, early 90s, not every exchange used tone dialing, so they give you the option of both back then. Anyway, so it's a nice phone. So I'll just show you the underneath where the handset sits. So you've got the switch hook there. There's this little plastic piece here that you have situated like that if you're having it desk mounted like it is now, so it's just flat, as you can see. Or you reverse it, so basically you take it out and turn it round so that it sticks up, so that you can have it as a handset rest when you're wall mounting this phone. So there's a directory list, including your speed dial numbers at the top. Some nice British Telecom brand in there as well. Very 80s looking, isn't it? Little dots there. I'll show you the base. So its feet are all intact. It's got the little cutouts there for when you're wall mounting it. Little holes there, which is where the sound comes out from the ringer. As you can see there, it's made in '89. There's the rating plate, so it's made in Taiwan for British Telecom. Model 5011. It's got a 1 Ren value ringer. Speaking of the ringer, it's got a ringer adjustment there, so you've got loud and all the way to off. So when you turn it all the way to the left, it'll click, and that turns the ringer off. Of course, turn it all the way to the top there, puts it on its loudest setting, but it is fully variable. But yeah, I think that's all there is to show you. I would show you the redial and speed dial options, but I haven't got another phone to ring, so I'll just have to do my regular dial out and ring back. But it is fully working, and it's all original. So anyway, here goes. Dial tone there.
This
So there you go, here's the ringer. So there you go. Got a nice ring to it. It's very 80s, 90s sounding. But yeah, it's a nice phone. I'm pleased to have got it. It's only cost me £11. So it's quite a good purchase, really. Anyway, there you go. My BT Minstrel Model 5011 Slimline telephone in lovely pink colour. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again, or speak to you again, I should say, soon. Thanks for watching.